منطقة أنا جيل يا وش جيل
فكر كم صوم
كمل الميسة محل ده صومالي
Next question. See ya.
Oh guys we got crazy shit here no way what's your name though
Hafsu.
Hamza what about you
Zara.
guess why you covering your head guys
No face, no case. No case.
I like that you guys smell nice I like that what's your name
Nastaha.
Nastaha what about you
Nastaha as well.
Nastaha how good is that
Nastaha Saeed.
what about I don't know
Nastaha Saeed.
are you guys kidding me
Yeah.
okay never mind
Samira.
Samira what about you
Araksan.
Araksan what's the Araksan ما Araksan محل ولا
I don't know.
you don't know what's the meaning of your name
No.
okay, I like that brother
تويو
Toyo like I mean your real name from
والله تويو
magaca runta
runta
okay adigana
ما مرالي جيمي
ma marali what the f what's your name brother
احمد
Ahmed Ahmed what
احمد هاشي
Ahmed Hashi adigana sahib
يحيى
Yahya okay what's your name
My name's Amal.
Samal
Amal.
Amal yeah are you from Somalia yeah
Yep.
Somal mata ha adigana
Nastaha.
Istaho Somal mata adigana
Yeah.
do you like pineapple
No, I don't actually.
do you know how to say pineapple in Somali then
It's about to go down.
do you speak Somali yeah how do you say pineapple in Somali
Damn, nigga, what you think? I'm a professor? This nigga.
I don't know.
Wallah you gotta say something
Wallah, I don't know. Wait, what was it? I was gonna say anib, but that's grapes. So I have no
it's
clue.
wrong how do you say pineapple in Somali
Futo.
okay how do you say coconut
Double.
Astaghfirullah.
Well, that's a good question والله
I know it is, but tell me from.
it's not moose
Please.
what did he say
Say mouse. Really?
والله you said غرق هذا you said غرق مانك
Okay, okay,
that's watermelon مانك
the next one.
Yeah.
Relax, chill.
جيتك قط حاله
انت خذ حالك.
ما فهمي.
عنب?
Yeah.
Are you sure about that?
بينبو عنب
What about you?
تفاح
Yo!
زي مرعمري
Miramiri? Oh my God.
عنب
What about you? Tom?
على الناس come on man come on
Okay, the next one. Okay.
Ananas.
I like that. The next one. How is coconut in Somali?
Huh?
Coconut.
I'm gonna leave this video because I'm not that expert.
Nah, come on. You gotta say something, please.
Coconut.
Coconut?
قنبة.
You already know what the hell.
وشعب
Kucha.
My God, you stupid.
Pineapple in Somali, if you know.
Ananas.
What about you? Slime.
Ananas.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You know, farahan jida farahan ina shan maahan Soomaalida ma taqaanaa qof kasta magac uu waca farahan maxaa lagu waca kan fartaas
واحد
waaxid haye
اثنين ثلاثة أربعة
oo waxaas ayadoo tiraaf carabi waaye magacyo leeyahay tan magaca lagu wacaa tan magaca Soomaalida lagu wacdaa laakiin hadda say fam yaa
أنا أقول شيء إنه
Soomaalida maxay u wacaan
أنا أقول شيء
hay sug
أحمد
Ahmed haye
حاوى عبد الله أحمد
haye so which one's how kewa
حاوى طن
haye
ما طن
Yo, come look at this.
وانقابة
langab haye
لانديري تنا حاوى تنا أحمد واي
Ahmed
ها
haye
سول
haye
سول كوكو عكتو فرد حواتنا
oh astaghfirullah
فرنواتنا أمين
Oh no. Fillet of fish.
Fill of fish what the hell is that
Damakis.
ستو some shit
اوه هي
Yeah.
I like that هي كم محاولة صومالي
Um.
صومالي
I don't know, big finger.
Big finger? Oh, my God. Oh, yeah. Okay, this one.
Can I abo?
Abo. Kan eedo. Adeer. Kan
Awowe.
haye.
Ayeyo.
Kan ma iya. Aranay.
Go and ask your grandfather.
Thumb. Maxaa la middle finger. Kuwaas maxaa la Soomaaliya ma taqaan hawlo.
Sul.
Haye.
Faryare farmo fadhoxo murugsata sul gambi
Mursita waaye.
Murugsata waa tan.
No.
Murugsata waa tan.
tan waay
Maya.
Adiga wax ma mursita adiga.
may
Adigana wax ma mursita adiga.
Ani maxaa?
Wax ma mursita.
Ha, cunto.
index ha
Tanna.
Farta guurka.
Okay.
waqti waxaan soo bilaabayaa waa Faryaro Faadumo Fardhoxo Murugsato Sun
Sulgambar waaye.
Sulgambar. Okay.
It's I forgot what it's called. Bacon and eggs. Eggs and bacon.
Astaghfirullah.
Shut up, bro.
How do you say? You know how do you say goat in Somali?
waa kana kan Ari
You know Ari is guys?
Ari was Ari.
Fuck, boy. Ari. Ari's in a fucking yeah, Ari.
No, come on, you gotta say. No, it's not Ari.
Ari, guys.
Ari is like a hole. You know, it's like Ari was korwag. I don't want to get in.
what is it again go yeah
Yeah, goat. Yeah.
Hilib Ari
Empty head, a hole inside your brain.
Yeah. How do you say goat in Somali?
Ri.
That's you're the first person to say that. Wallahi. You know I goats, yeah? You know how they have like a little ones, yeah, the kids.
Babies.
How do you say that in Somali?
Baby Ri.
Baby Ri.
Baby Ri.
Go away. What about you?
What? Oh.
The babies of the goats. And my it is called Ariga.
Waxar.
That's how haboy.
Arna abun. Ari.
Ari is like everything. Why? Muskujiro. Goats are different.
Loh.
Okay. You know the goats, yeah? You know they have like small kids. And my iriska or Ariga. Maxaa dhaha?
Cubs
Somali.
wala arno Arur
You're killing me, man.
Arur dadka waaye.
Arur muday
Ha.
kan doqon waa
Arur dadka waaye.
I just don't know.
Okay, how do you say goats in Somali?
I don't know.
You don't know anything. What up?
Savage.
How do you say goats in Somali?
Goat Ari bada
Ariga midkee?
fucking maqan lo
Hadda ram taqaanaa baarkiisa wallahi waxa tahay ma lax baa tahay ma sha Allah maxaa laga wadaa?
laxmaanahay
Lax caawina tahay dadka ku dhaho. Ama ku dhaho you know that guy is very lax.
Qurxle.
Yeah? That's what you think?
Yeah, I think so.
Marlax bada waxas that's not fucking you know what I mean that's not a compliment my nigga why what the fuck
No, lax maxaa laga wadaa?
Marlax waa animal bada is a fucking suuq ma aqaan what it is exactly but it's a fucking no it's an animal it's like a fucking a cow some shit isn't it bruh waxaan ku qoslayba
No. Yo, brotherkiisa wallahi you are very lax man maxaa laga wadaa? Hatta lax caadi ahayn.
Like isn't like bone or some shit like.
Yeah?
I don't know.
Boat. What about you? That's a brother. Mashallah, lax baa tahay niyo mashallah. Maxaa laga wadaa?
nin oo dhisana tahay
Oh, God.
Oh my god.
Nin lax ta dhisay.
nin dhisana la tahay ha something like that
Yeah.
Bones, you know what I mean? Like big bone.
She's a donkey?
She's a donkey.
Donkey.
تاخد عليه لحظة محاكاة. Was that a bad thing?
That's a bad thing. That's
What the hell?
Is that an animal? Yeah, the whole animal.
What animal?
It's donkey. No. A cow. No, it's
A cow?
Yeah, a cow.
So لح cow لغة مياه. You know that guy? Oh, mashallah, he's very لح. محل لغة.
mashallah you're so fine
So لح was fine, yeah? What do you say? Elephant in Somali. Elephant.
Ready.
Man. Oh, no.
Does a lah mean sheep?
No, it is. Yeah, okay. The next one. How do you say the keys of the lah in Somali?
The what?
Oh, الماء أو لحظة. محل في Somali محل ده.
The guy.
get right here man shit I'm saying
The guy? No way! What about you?
I don't know.
The guy is like chicken, you know that, yeah?
Oh yeah, the egg chicken.
Are you chicken?
No, I'm not chicken.
gabadhaas lax waayo waxa waaye yani she's like a
xogaa weynta no
santaa camal
yeah so hadda
been waa ninka kula ciyaara ka lax waa qof buurin waa no gabadhaas way buuran tahay
dalgooda badaa
how do you know that
goob badaa Soomaaliya garanaa kaza nacmi kaza maxamed come on
I'm talking geel yeah was geel
or fuck kamin kam soo
kamalka ilmihiisa maxaa la dhahaa Soomaali
بس اي ادينا اي
really nigga
اي
bro are you sure
ورمنا قانديدا انو زي ما حكى لدهي ما حد يقربع قربع
الماء ودولان جيل
ويل
استغفر الله جيل كان وين كان وايه can you risk no the little one you know yeah
you're
Dibi or some shit?
Dibi?
Yeah.
adiga waxa leedahay
dameer.
Oh my god. Okay. Do you watch soccer?
Yeah.
Who's your favorite soccer player?
Neymar. Messi. Mbappe. Leroy Sané, Rashford, Pogba.
Can you tell me 5 prophets of a Nabi you shake?
What?
5 prophets you shake.
5 prophets? Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hamza.
Is
that right?
Yeah, keep going.
Umar. Ali.
أنا waxaan ku dhahay some prophets you know nabiyal
5 prophets Abdullah Yusuf Arab
Abdullah Yusuf no way yo I need to see you right now
Okay, my Instagram is Nastaha Zayid. Nastaha Zayid is ZAYII.
How do you say minus in Somali?
Minus. Kachar.
Thank you for watching guys. Haddaa filan ka shay please helobin like comment and subscribe. Somali ha noolaato Somali ha siracdo ana u siiyo video kan ku xidhi dilaan insha Allah.
My Instagram is Ade CAADE 3 Ys.
What's Ade?
Ade.
What's Ade?
Like me.
Like what? I mean like in Somali. What's Ade maxaa la wadaa?
Light. Like light.
Are you white? Are you a white?
Am I?